comes the big Raptor. Let's go. Alrighty, and we're off. They had a good night camping. Apparently, it was loud. The rain was loud, but the temperature, it's only 56 right now. It was nice. They said it was perfect for camping. So that's cool. Happy for them. They're soaked. I'm soaked. We're already soaked from just standing there talking. But it's great. It's great. I'm excited. All right, let's see. What time is it? It is 9 o'clock. 8:57. It's 9 o'clock. So 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 3 hours of riding, maybe a little bit more if we're going south. And that's cool. Yeah, anytime y'all see something y'all want to stop at or bathroom breaks or whatever, just say so. It's y'all's day to day. I'm just here leading away, so.
Copy that.
Yeah, my thing, I got something to go back to, I know, but my thing yesterday, I got a little bit, not upset, just, again, I'm a teacher. So I kind of baby kids. Not really, I'm rough on the kids, but you know what I'm saying. I teach them right. I try to teach them right. All the way from respect to rules to discipline to everything, not just what I'm teaching them. So yesterday was Corey's first time out. First creek crossing, first this, first that. I don't think it was the first time for him to get his car stuck. Not on the first time out. So yeah, one of the guys, oh man, you could have made it. It was no big deal. It was no big deal. Little fun spot here. Not hard, but fun.
Copy that. Oh, I get it. Oh, look at.
Check out that back tire, baby. Woo!
Three-wheeling.
You want me to video you? Stop if you want me to.
Wait a minute. I'm out.
Nice, good job. Then the Raptor's gonna come down like nothing.
The Raptor back there just pulled over it like it was just a pothole.
Water's moving. Little waterfalls to the right. Got to be mindful of the road today, I think. Washouts and stuff like that. But yeah, getting back to it, so, you know, somebody was like, yeah, man, you could have went through that road on your two-wheel drive and this and that, and, you know, it made them kind of second guess why we went around, but, you know, you got to learn how to walk before you run, got to learn how to run before you fly, so that's my thinking, that's my thoughts on it, that's the reason we took them around. We got to talking about the whole thing about, I had this rant go on before, about somebody taking a Prius through Trey Mountain, and then some guys went out and got stuck, and you know, it seemed like they were a little bit upset how people had said how easy it was, and it really wasn't. And no, it's not. Trey Mountain is not easy. I don't care who you are. Don't listen to people that have, you know, jacked up Jeeps on 37s and say, of course it's easy on a jacked up Jeep on 37. So, you know, do a little research and figure out what it is. What it is. Alright. And I think with three rigs is nice. 5 I think is the most. That would be a fun ride. And especially the talking. I know you don't want to talk to me the whole time. I'm not trying to, but a little conversation here or there is cool, you know, it's nice to have. I'm stopping. So you can get your exercise while you're doing this. Little heavy lifting there.
Copy that. I got a protein shake for you if you need it.
Yes. Oh, wow. Look straight ahead. I'm stopping on this one. I'm stopping on this one. Holy crappers. Check that out. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up there. All the way up there. Back, and we hiked up that one all the way to the top, and it was frozen all the way to the top. I have some cool pictures of it. The water was running behind the ice, but the ice was in front, and it looked crazy, crazy cool. Just got a message from Keith, WK2 Mac, and or KW2 Mac, right? Oh, I have to check that out, see which one it is. But he led the group yesterday, the Overland Bound SouthEast group yesterday, and just got a text, a message from him saying thank you and all this stuff, and talking about the same exact thing I've just been talking about. How cool it was that I did this and he did that, and they did this and they did that, and it's cool. It's cool. Everybody kind of took on a little role without being told to, and I think everybody had a good time because of it. So, yeah. Yeah. Wow, it's moving fast.